Hello friends, this is Wael Bashwari, math and physics teacher. In this video I'm going to solve some practice questions about the equation of a straight line for math grade 7 section 5. So let's directly start solving question number 22. Consider the relation 4y minus 2x equal 12. Express the relation in a slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form which is y equal mx plus c. So we have to put this relation in this form. So to do that, we have to make y the subject of the formula. 4y is equal to, let's take negative 2x to the other side. So we get plus 2x, and then we have already plus 12. Then we divide by 4, divide all sides the equation by 4. We get y equal half x plus 3. Like this, we have put the equation in the required form. Y equal half x plus 3. Next question. State the slope of the line. The slope or the gradient is m, which is the coefficient of x, the number next to x. In this case, it's half. State the y-intercept. The y-intercept is the constant number. It's called the y-intercept. It's where the line cuts the y-axis. This is usually called the y-intercept. So if you graph the line, where the line cuts the y-axis is called the y-intercept. So here we write y-intercept is equal to 3. And that is question number 22. Now, question number 23. In question number 23, determine the equation of the line with slope 3/4 and passing through the point 4, 0. Express the equation in slope-intercept form. So first step we have to do is to write the equation of the straight line y equal mx plus c, and then we can replace m by 3/4. So we get y is equal to 3/4x plus c. Second step, I want to calculate c. I will take this point and replace it in the equation to calculate c. So 0 is equal to 3/4 times 4 plus c. 0 is equal to 3 plus c. Now take 3 to the left side. Minus 3 equals c. Now you got the equation of the straight line. You can write it finally. Y equals 3/4 x minus 3. And that is question number 22. Question number 23 now. 24. Yeah, that was question number 23. Now 24. Write the equation of the line passing through 0, 10, and 214 in this form. ax plus by equals c. First step, I write the y-intercept form of the equation, which is y equal mx plus c. And then I find the slope. M is equal to 14 minus 0 divided by 2 minus 0. This will be 7. So m equals 7. So this means y equals 7x plus c. Now to calculate c, I can choose one of the points, either 0, 10 or 214, and replace it in the equation to find c. Let us choose 214 and replace it in the equation. So here you have 14 is equal to 7 times 2 plus c. Oh no, before that, let me correct this mistake here. 14 minus 10 divided by 2 minus 0. 14 minus 10 is 4, so this must be 4. M equal 4 divided by 2, and the slope must be 2. Yeah, so the slope must be 2 here. So now y is equal to 2x plus c. To calculate c, I will choose the same point to 14 and replace it. So 14 is equal to 2 times 2 plus c. Now 14 is equal to 4 plus c. This means c equal 10. This means the equation is y equal to x plus 10. Like this, we solved question number 24. Now question number 25. A straight line passing through the points 1, 2, 3, 8. Does the point 2, 5 lie on this line? To do that, let us find the equation of the line passing through the points 1, 2, and 3, 8. So y equal mx plus c. The formula for the slope y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So m is equal to 8 minus 2 divided by 3 minus 1. M is equal to 6 divided by 2, which is 3. So now the equation has become y equal to 3x plus c. To find c, we use one of the points, replace it in the equation to find c. Let's choose this one. 2 is equal to 3 times 1 plus c. 2 is equal to 3 plus c. Take 3 to the left side. So you get 2 minus 3 equals c, which means negative 1 equals c. This means the equation has become y equal to 3x minus 1. So that's the equation of the straight line. Now, does the point 2, 5 lie on the line? Let's check. We will replace this point in the line and see whether it lies on the line or not. So 5 is equal to 3 times 2 minus 1. 5 equal 5. So yes, the point lies on the line. Now, section 6, graphing lines revisited. A line passes through k negative 4, 0 with a slope 3. Find another point on the line. First step, I need to find the equation of the line. Y is equal to mx plus c. Y is equal to, we are given the slope 3, so we replace 3 here. 3x plus c. Now we take this point and replace it in the equation to find c. So we write now 0 is equal to 3 times negative 4 plus c. 0 is equal to negative 12 plus c. 12 equals c after taking 12 to the left side. So the equation will be y equal 3x plus 12. To find another point on the line, we can find many points. For example, in order to find other points on the line, we can use this table. Give any value for x, 0, 1, 2, 3, and then calculate y. So first step, we replace 0 here. 3 times 0 plus 12, we get 12. Then if you replace 1, 3 times 1 is 1 plus 12, 15. Then 2, replace 2 in the equation. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 12, 18. Then replace 3. 3 times 3, 9, plus 12, 17. 9 plus 12, sorry, 21. So these are four. Here you have 4 points on the line. Now question B is asking you to graph the line. So to graph it, what do? You draw x-axis, y-axis, like this. And then here you have the points 0, 1, 2, 3. And the points you have till 21. So you can move, for example, 3, 3. So you can move like this. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Now you start plotting. 0, 12 here. Then 115 here. Then 218. This is 218 here. And then 321 is here. Then you connect and extend. So that's the graph in question number 26. Now we move to question number 27. In each case, identify the line as vertical, horizontal, or oblique. If the line is oblique, state whether it's falling or rising. Okay, first step, I need to rearrange each equation to decide. So let's rearrange this equation. First one, it becomes 2y equal to x plus 10. And then I will divide by 2 all sides. So we get y is equal to half x plus 5. And the second equation, we divide by 2 both sides. We get x equals 0. And this one we divide by 3. We get y equals 0. For last one, we rearrange it again. So take y to the right and 20 to the left. So you get 4x minus 20 equal y. Or you can write it y equal 4x minus 20. Now I want you to memorize this shape. I'm going to draw it here. You have a circle. Rising line will have a positive slope. Falling line will have a negative slope. Falling line will have a negative slope. And vertical line will have undefined slope. This is u. U means undefined. And a horizontal line will have a zero slope. Draw it on your notebook. It's very useful to understand the slopes. So for example, this line y equals 0 is a horizontal. It will have a zero slope. And this line is vertical. Its slope is undefined. U here means undefined. So here we say undefined. And here we say slope equal 0. Here the slope is positive, so this means it's rising because it's positive. See it positive here? So here you say rising. And here also the slope is positive. Again we say this is also rising. Rising. So this is also rising. Okay, like this we finish this video. I'm gonna do another video explaining the rest of the ideas. Thank you very much indeed for watching.